for this project, I worked with a teacher who teaches 8th grade science to kind of jazz up one of the activities that she generally does every year. She does it old school, paper and pencil, and kids present in front of the class. So I talked her into, kind of jazzing it up and making it digital. So that was actually quite a feat because she has been here a long time and she likes how she does things. So I was pretty proud of myself for talking her into this. So let me tell you a little bit about our project. The kids, as a culminating activity, built Rube Goldberg machines. If you don't know what a Rube Goldberg machine is, it's a complex machine that involves simple machines, transfers of energy, kind of a chain reaction to do a simple task. So a really complex piece of machinery to do a simple task. So I found a little graphic here, and this is basically the simple task in this is pushing a button on a computer screen. And you can see that there's all these different chain reactions that have to happen to push this button on the computer. They seem kind of crazy, and they are mostly, but the kids really think it's a fun activity. So it was a good activity to do this with. We had a great time. So let me kind of go through the things that we did and the tools that we used. We kind of kicked it off by showing the kids what Rube Goldberg machines are. They know the content already. This is a culminating activity. So they already know all about simple machines. They already know about energy transfers. They already know about force and motion. So this is the end of that big unit. So I think it's Jimmy Kimmel. There's a Rube Goldberg National Championship competition every year. And they generally go on Jimmy Kimmel or some late night show to show their creation when they win. So we show the kids that one. Obviously, that's way more involved than anything they're going to be creating. So we show them a couple of other videos where kids are doing it in classrooms, just at other schools. Their first experience with it are some online games or online simulators that let them build their own machines or problem solve problems in one that's already built for them. So it kind of shows them how they can use the different simple machines to make things work, to get the right transfer of energy that they're looking for and that kind of thing. So it gives them a chance to do it virtually, quickly, without having to do it physically. Kind of gets their ideas going. Tool 2 that we used was the Kami extension on the Chromebooks. It works really well with Google Classroom, with all the Google stuff. It allows them to annotate directly on a PDF. So this was kind of the selling point for the teacher. She had her stuff and she liked it. So we took the old paper copies that she had and we just scanned them on the copy machine, and then we have an interactive PDF in Kami. But the reason that I like Kami is that it really works well for kids with disabilities or kids who struggle with learning. You can record audio on it. You could record a video, teachers and students. And it was just a great collaborative tool for the kids to be able to work together. The teacher really liked this because before there was always lost paper everywhere. So being able to have it in their digital file cabinet on their drive really helped the children all work together, not lose anything, and keep up with everything. The third tool that we used was Flipgrid. So the teacher was probably most excited about this. We had the kids record their Rube Goldberg machines and create an infomercial type commercial to sell their products. So they were really cheesy and really just over the top ridiculous to sell this product that did 45 different things before it turned on the light switch or whatever it was that they came up with. So the teacher really loved that because one, the kids got to show a little more personality than just building something in class. And two, she'll now have quite a library of ones of her own to show to her kids next year. She was super excited about that. So I think that was a great selling point for me. I really wouldn't do a ton different because I was working with this teacher and we were working within her parameters. I think we kind of made it fit for her and be exciting for the kids. So I was really excited about that. It was a great learning experience. And if you don't know much about Rube Goldberg machines, I would suggest that you YouTube them and look at them because they're really neat and really intricate. Thanks.